Okay, you're looking at a ro-ro ship going to Cebu Island over there, just perhaps 5 kilometers from here. And because we're on our way to Leyte, of all places. We don't know exactly how long we're gonna travel, but it's gonna be a long ride coming from Bacolod down here in Amlan, going to cross the channel over there, then go to Toledo, then Cebu, spend the night, and cross to Leyte, so that we can go to Tacloban and join our brothers there for the Unity Ride. But actually this is the longer way, because if you went straight to San Carlos then Toledo, it will just take us 2 hours. Okay, this is the port of Bato. PJ here. He changed his XR to an RT. It's not a bad choice if you got a pillion from time to time. And his wife rides with him, and I wish I got something like that so I can take my wife. Yeah, that's the bottle. He's flying. There's an air. An alley. Who else is left? There's 11 of us. So, I think that's all of us. Okay, I'm gonna take the back this time. I don't get so pressured. Right. Going clockwise on the island of Cebu, coming off the port of Bato. Look at that. An alley here is one of our fastest in the group. Let's go beast mode anytime soon. Whoa. First time on these roads. Looks great. Staying in the back of the group now. Less pressure. So all we need to do is just keep up. Everyone here is fast anyway. Roads. Okay, we're getting up, which is good. I got a small tank. This is what happens if you ride in a group and you gas out. A lot of time spent on waiting. But it's time to rest. It's time for rest also. Look at that cute little boy over there. Well, it's supposed to be a girl. Okay, it's tail Neil and see how the new versus does on these twisties. You know, I want to get an XR and just can't afford it. Get a versus. Okay, so the dogs. Time for lunch, so I'll be parking. Uh-oh, it's raining. Should have put on my rain gear instead of putting on my vlogging gear. But priorities. At least we're gonna be traveling slow today, which is a little bit welcome given the way I'm performing today. Oh man, it's gonna be cold. Okay, we are leaving Moalboal on our way to Toledo. Hopefully we could outrun this rain. So what's happening? We just left Moalboal, ate lunch, and now we're on our way to Toledo City, where the club president is there and is going to catch up with us, because earlier today he had an accident in Kabankalan, so he went back home, pick up another bike, and took the shorter route. Well, we took the much longer route because, you know, we're a riding club and ride is all we do. So we took the long way. We're going to Cebu. It's so cold. This job for this beast mode on. Okay, very nice view of the sunset on top of the mountains. And we are the transcentral highway. Finally got here, and the president finally made it. It's time for a quick stopover, and soon we'll be in Cebu. I think it's downhill from here, so hopefully you'll do better. Going up, I didn't do so well. I had a hard time catching up with the guys. I can see no one is for me, and I found them on the side of the road. It seems like I've been there a while. There's a nice hotel, forgot the name. Oh, Pine Tree. Temporarily closed. Yeah, because there's a hotel and it's like very private what's going on in there, right? Okay, seems I keep up a little bit. They're leaving me behind. It's probably just because of the traffic. If there wasn't any, I won't be able to catch up. Ano daw? So close to the city now. We're waiting for something. I don't know what. There's a few meters down there. Will be the Temple of Leyte. The guys are taking off their jackets. Okay, so what happened is Ali dropped one of his tags, I think. Who dropped it? Oh, it's Mikey. He dropped one of his boxes. I didn't even know. That's so funny. Okay, we took off our jackets because the traffic is going to be terrible.
BM, BM, BMW. Cebu. Take a flight home. Waterfront. Oh, it's really hot now. Oh, nakaswitch ka.
Just arrived. After riding all day. This hotel for the evening. Here's the boys. Oh yeah, this one is not tired yet. Still got some energy for some gimmick tonight, maybe.